If you've ever struggled to add scientific formulas like H2O, math expressions like x squared, or even footnote references in your WordPress site, this video is exactly what you need. Because today, I'll show you the easiest and fastest ways to add subscript and superscript in WordPress. No coding required. Let's get right into it. First, what exactly are subscripts and superscripts? A subscript is text slightly lowered, mostly used for chemical formulas. Example, H2O or CO2. A superscript is raised text, commonly used in math and citations. Example, x squared or references like 1. Now let's begin. Open your browser and log into your WordPress account. Head over to wordpress.com and click on Login at the top right. To make things simple, choose Continue with Google and select your preferred Google account. This logs you in instantly, no passwords to remember. Once you're in, you'll arrive on your WordPress dashboard. On the homepage, look for the section called Quick Links. From there, click on Edit Site. This will open up the WordPress site editor where you can edit pages, posts, and content blocks on your website. Now, find the post or page where you want to add subscript or superscript. Click on the text block you want to edit. Simply highlight the specific text. For example, maybe the 2 in H2O or the 2 in X2. With the text selected, look above the block for the toolbar. Click on the More Options icon. It looks like 3 dots or sometimes a small drop-down arrow depending on your theme. From that menu, select Subscript if you want the text to appear slightly below the baseline, perfect for things like chemical compounds. For example, H2O now looks correct. Or choose Superscript if you want the text raised, useful for mathematical exponents like x squared or references like E equals mc squared. Just one click and WordPress formats it instantly. Once you're done, click Preview in the top right corner to make sure everything looks professional and neat on your page. Check spacing, readability, and make sure your subscripts and superscripts are easy to understand for your readers. If everything looks good, just click Update to save your changes. And that's it. You've now learned how to add subscript and superscript in WordPress the easy way. No plugins, no messy HTML, just fast formatting using built-in tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick WordPress tips, and drop a comment if you want a tutorial on math equations in WordPress or inserting symbols. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.